this is a game that I'm working on, and I'm making this video as a little devlog in case it ever becomes anything in the future, and then I can watch this and have fond memories. So cool. So what I have here is a little demo scene. Obviously, this is not for the game. I've just created some colorful objects because I've been playing a lot with shaders, and that is what I have to show really at the moment. So what I have is a little player. This is using the entire like standard like template of how to do first person stuff. So that's pretty boring. But I'm rendering that to viewport and then I'm using that in a post-processing camera, which if I turn on does absolutely nothing because I haven't set it up to default very well. Um, but if we turn that off, we can look at the scene again. There's this little Fresnel shaded sphere that when I was just learning, I decided to make that. So I've just kept that in the scene as a little remembrance. But this is the thing that I've been working on mostly. This is, if we open up the scene, you can see it's currently a simple sphere, but the important thing is this monster shader. So the whole idea of this monster shader is that it's going to blend it. Oh, I can delete all of that. Whoops. It's going to blend in with the background. So let's just take a quick look at it. I have two key bindings right now. I can make. Oh, I need to turn on the camera again. So I have two key bindings right now. I have one to make it appear and disappear. That's like actually making it invisible properly. And then I have one that will take a screenshot of the current scene, obviously without the Oh, actually, I think it'll work with those sliders up in the top right, and it'll just paint that image onto the sphere. So if we do that now, so I press the button, and you can just see the dots. That's currently just a little issue with the. I need to get rid of that, but you can see it's painted the scene onto it, and it's painted black on the background. Now in the future, I'm going to add some sort of actual texture to the monster. But what I want it to be able to do is I want it to be able to appear in the scene directly in front of you and have the player have pretty much no idea it's there until they move, at which point it's really obvious that it's standing there. But yeah, that's what I've got. I'll also turn on the actual post-processing to show what that all looks like together. I haven't actually run this as one whole thing, so hopefully this works now. Or where is it? Oh, I think it's defined in the actual scene. Yeah. Oh no, it's there. Okay. I just have this to. I'll just set it to false for now. So, well, that looks like it's not working very well. Let's see. Cool. Okay, so this is the other shader that I've got. This is all done with one shader. There's no actual model for this screen. So I have a little vignette that I've done and a little drop shadow blend that I had to do as well. And the pixel sizes here are configurable, but at the moment they just take a single sample from the like viewport texture. In the future, I'm going to make this actually average the colors so that we get a little, because like you'll notice when I move from or at the edge of this, it gets very sharp because it's not actually doing any fake anti-aliasing with that averaging, if that makes sense. But yeah, let's see how this works with the disappearing sphere because I haven't tried this yet. Okay, well that's very impressive. And then if oh, hold on. Well, if I turn it back on, maybe that would help. All right, let's try that again. Yeah, so there's a couple black dots. That's again the same bug as before. That's easy enough to get rid of. But if I move, that looks pretty cool. All right, cool. So that's gonna be it for this devlog. I do not have anything else besides a collider on this, which does not work very well. All right, see you guys in the next video.